welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tech with Nat, and today we're going to be discussing all about how to create your very own phone case business. So sis, if you're new here, welcome. This channel is for all my entrepreneurial ladies who love to do ish themselves, okay? Over here we spill the business tea for free, if you know what I'm saying. So I want you to like and subscribe, boo, because it was really helped me, okay? And also comment down your business name, or if you don't have your business as yet, comment down what do you want to start your business on, and I might do a video on it, finding you vendors and giving you tips and tricks, okay? You know what we have to do first, pay them bills, boo, because I gotta pay rent, sis. So today's video is actually sponsored by Glow Queen Glow. Glow Queen Gloss, you guys. She sells Therapeutic Lip Gloss, boo, and I have it on right now. It keeps your lips shining, as well as it fixes your cracked lips, you know, them dollar store and beauty supply sticky lip gloss, I mean. Be having your lips, you know, it be shining, but it don't be helping it, okay? So this is how her tube looks. Glow Queen Gloss, you guys, go get you some, period. Okay, so now the bills are paid, boom, let's jump straight into this video and let me spill this tea on how to start your very own phone case business. So the first thing that you need to do before you even pick your inventory or any of that, first thing first, you need to figure out your target audience, okay? Target audience. Basically what your target audience is, the people who you are targeting for your product, okay? So if your product is pink, most likely, you know, the colors are gender neutral these days, but most likely it will attract more girls than men, okay? We're gonna be explaining 5 customers on how much inventory and what kind of inventory you should be buying for those customers. So let's say right now, this girl named Trisha. Hey Trisha, so she's 16 to 20, in the age range of 16 to 24. She's scrolling on your website and she said, girl, I just need something cute, anything that catch my eye, I'm going to buy it. This is the kind of inventory you would sell to Trisha.
Hey Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flicker. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up.
Okay.
I leave the city.
That's the kind of inventory that Trisha loves, okay? So when she's on your website, she stops and sees this and says, ooh girl, this is the one, okay? Now, we already have that inventory set for all the Trishas in the world now. So now you need another inventory for, let's say, Nancy. Nancy, she's a girly girl, but she's very out there. She want to be the center of attention. She want people to stop her and be like, girl, where did you get that phone case from? Period. So now that you know Nancy's thoughts and how she thinking, when she goes on her website, she's looking at anything that's outrageous, out there, huge, unique, very unique, that she can't find nowhere else. Okay, that's what she wants from your website. So now you have to look for inventory that Nancy can get. Nancy see this now and she's like, girl, I need this in my inbox, in my mailbox tomorrow. So Nancy goes ahead, she's like, this is so cute, oh my gosh, I'm going to buy this phone case right now. And now you win over Trisha and Nancy now, okay? So that's 2 customers so far that you have inventory for. Now there's always gonna be a 3rd customer who's like, I'm not really girly, I'm not really, you know, out there, I just like something plain and simple. Let's call her Taylor. Be like, okay Taylor, no worries, no boo, I got you, plain and simple but still cute. Boom. This is the type of inventory now you're gonna sell to Taylor. It's plain, simple, not too much, but still very cute, okay?
Straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me.
and Taylor's like, oh my gosh girl, I love it so much. This is definitely me. Moving on now to our what is this, our fourth customer. We have our girl, homegirl Amanda. Okay, Amanda is an African American female, and she's all about, girl, I love my melanin magic, I love, you know, Black Lives Matter, whooped, and I want to showcase my culture and my feelings and let you know, let other people know what I'm representing. You know, I want to do it on my t-shirt, on my phone case, everything. Do you have something to cater to my needs? Then you go tell Amanda, say, yes girl, melanin magic collection on my website right now just for you. And this is the kind of inventory, y'all ready? I don't think y'all ready. This is the kind of inventory. Y'all see that? Y'all see that melanin magic on there? This is the kind of inventory.
Straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking,
to cater to my homegirl Amanda, you know, feelings. You know, because selling things is all about feelings. How people will feel in a type of clothes. How people will feel wearing some bomb ass queen gloss lip gloss. How people will feel in your swimsuit, you know. So that is how you cater to all your kind of customers' needs. That's why on the first step, you're definitely supposed to be writing down every single customer you can think of that will come on your website, so everyone, or most to everyone, can be satisfied, and you can be satisfied because, honey, them coins, sis, gonna be in your bank account, okay? Period. If you say, you know, I'm not really African American, or I'm not interested in those, like, selling African American phone cases, then find something that's relatable to your culture or to other people's culture around you. Find something that helps people express themselves. It don't have to be all about melanin magic. It can be another thing that expresses, you know, another niche. So let's say you find phone cases. If you're a millennial or if you're Gen Z, find phone cases that say little Gen Z quotes on there, or little millennial quotes on there. That definitely will put you ahead of the game and make you more stand out, because many big companies are not selling things that cater to our feelings. That's the point, you guys. You have to cater to the customer feelings. How would the customer feel buying your phone case? You know, it's all about the feelings.
I be too turned up to ever give a fuck. I ain't come to argue, let a
For our fifth customer now, like, wait, sis, if you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel as yet, like, click off my video right now, because I'm giving you free gems, boo. Subscribe right now. I'll wait 5 seconds. Thank you. Okay, so our fifth customer now, let's name that girl Natalie. Okay, Natalie is like, girl, I love your website and all, but I saw everybody with their phone case on, and I want something unique. I want something that nobody has. Okay, so you're gonna have to make me something for me. And that's when you tell Natalie, like, wait, do you want me to make a whole phone case for you with your own design and just your picture or anything you want on it? Okay. Okay, boo, I'll do that for you. And you know why you're gonna do that for her? Because Natalie is going to pay you anything you set your price to, because you're making something very special for her. Okay, so that is when, you know, the real cash start coming in. Because if Natalie wants a unique case with that nobody else have, so does my homegirl Nina. She wants a case that nobody else have too. So now you're charging that premium price to put their design or their face on it, and now you're making the real cash. So even though your previous customers wanted these cases, you know, yes, we're gonna offer those cases still, but we're gonna offer it for a lower price than our premium custom cases. Now you're like, sis, you just showed me where to get those cases from, either AliExpress or Alibaba. how am I going to find a vendor now, a credible vendor that's gonna make me custom cases with people's faces on it? I know, girl. I know, girl, that was my question too when I first started out. When I tell y'all I waste so much money trying to find a perfect vendor to produce what I want as well as what the customer want, okay? You know, some vendors, they give me their picture was all blurry, you know, the customer selfie was all blurry. So after like a couple months of trying, I actually found this amazing vendor, you guys. That's my girl, my home girl, okay? Literally, she gives me the best product at the best price, and it is amazing, okay? She making money, I making money, now you gonna be making money, okay? Period. So I'm gonna show you an example of one of my custom cases that I made for this amazing influencer named Black Girl V. Like, she's the best. It's such high quality. It is amazing, you guys. So what my custom cases are, there are custom glass phone cases. That's what gives it the amazing shine, as you can see. So that's already setting me apart from the other phone case businesses already out there. They don't have that shine or uniqueness that I am bringing to the table. And now that I brought that to the table, boo, you probably like, girl, give me your vendor, boo. But honestly, even if I give you my vendor, you guys, she is going to charge you 3 times more than what she charged me, because she doesn't have that relationship with you and she just sees you as a brand new customer coming in, you know. I've been working on with my vendor for a year now, and we built that trust, that communication, and I was able to talk her down to that minimum price that I'm paying right now. With that being said, don't worry, I ain't gonna leave you hanging, sis. I'm definitely gonna be doing wholesale now, and here is where you can see you're gonna sign up for my wholesale program. You're probably like, wait, I'm confused, sis. Like, why is it a wholesale subscription? Because, sis, if you're not serious for starting up, upgrading your business, I don't want you in my wholesale program. I'm telling you guys, like, this is already the best quality and the best price I'm giving you guys. I can't afford to have anybody in my wholesale program. To even get in the group, to even get in the VIP membership, you gotta pay that $4.99, boo. Like, it's not even negotiable, because I'm seriously offering you the best quality. You already see what we have over here. You're already seeing the quality of these phone cases, boo. So I don't have time for people who's gonna be thinking like, oh, maybe I'll just go in there and look around and see how much she's charging. No, if you're serious, you're gonna pay your $4.99 and get these products for wholesale, okay? So I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Okay, if you're like, sis, maybe I'm not ready to sell those custom kind of cases, but I want to still upgrade my phone case business, I definitely recommend you getting cute packaging, okay? Like, this one is my right now it's open, but this one is my phone case box, okay? It comes with a little tray in the box. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna put your phone case on there. You can do these for the custom cases as well. You're gonna put your phone case on there as well, and then, sis, you're just gonna slide that in, okay? And then you're just gonna slide that baby in, and it's going to look so unique, you guys. Let me close it up real good so you guys can see. Look at that, you guys. It looks so official and cute. Oh my god, it looks so cute and so official. So you can definitely, that's one way to definitely upgrade your phone case business. And your phone cases, like, packaging is everything. Once a person see your packaging, they're like, sis, I definitely have to get this again. I'm gonna be buying from you again because your packaging is so cute and so dope. And these packaging are definitely available on our website for wholesale, boo. So you can definitely grab some of those, okay? Like, once people seeing this shine, boo, everybody wants one. So definitely, I will definitely say starting off with custom cases will help you save time and make you more money down the road. So I know that was a lot of gems, but I definitely want, like, a lot of people been asking me, how can I start my phone case business? So let's review. You either get those regular cases from AliExpress or Alibaba, and you pick those styles out based on your target audience, or you can do custom cases. So that means you're not gonna start with inventory. You're just gonna have the custom cases on your website, and once at least 3 customers buy from your website, you then can come to me and do wholesale for those custom cases. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, boom, leave them down below in the comment section. I hope you already subscribed. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you, and I hope you're starting your phone case business soon. And definitely follow me on Instagram at Taylor Tech Shop, or at Taylor Tech Wholesale, or at Tech Whatnot. I know it's a lot. But I want to see you guys phone case business, and I want to help you guys grow in this phone case business industry. How much am I gonna say phone case business? I definitely want to help you guys, and I definitely want to see you guys grow in this phone case business industry. And I finally decided to do wholesale just so I can help, you know, young entrepreneurs get this bag, honey, because it's all about, you know, our table is long enough for everybody to eat. You know, there's no reason why anyone should be starting from scratch in 2020. I already went through the pain. I already wasted money on trial vendors, boo. Now I'm telling you, let me be your vendor and you'll be good. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.